Good morning and welcome to another edition of the Daily Fix. I'm your usual host and presenter, Advocate Filohoyan. As Moses B, a friends of that, penetrating cross-examination by Advocate Balui. This morning I just want to give you a break and show you some clips coming out of the Pretoria High Court, just to give you a taste of where we are now. This is taking Balui 3 weeks, and he's not yet done with Muzisibia. I just wonder how long this trial is going to take. But let us look back to some very disturbing moments of the trial. The first one came in this manner. Take a listen to this.
I must go and tell the JP. When the JP asked me, why were you not sitting, or the DJP, why were you not sitting on Monday? No, we're waiting for Advocate Nisi to come drive back to Joburg, to wherever, because he was running a marathon. This is South Africa, run by blacks. I can tell you now, even if you call me an Uncle Tom, I don't think a white advocate can have the gall to ask me that. Never. Okay, you've heard me.
Yes, that was way back in July when Advocate Nisi made a request to run the Comrades Marathon. What a response you get there. What a response you get there. Remember, this is the response that shocked the whole of South Africa. When Judge Ratha cast aspersions on black people in general, and went on to say, no white lawyer would dare ask me for something like that. No white lawyer would dare ask me for something like that. I don't care even if you call me an Uncle Tom, he went on. But this is the reality of the South Africa we live in. You know, it left me the bitter taste in my mouth as I listened to Judge Ratha just destroy the decorum of that court like that. But this has been the way the trial has been proceeding, and unfortunately, we have come accustomed to it. And we just have to live with it. It is, they say, what it is, in spite of our wishes that it could be something else. There is this other moment when he gets into, again with the defense, clashes with the defense, and says, this is not a tavern in an exchange with Advocate Molo. And goes on to say, I attend taverns in Soweto. My God, how does the judge say that in court? I attend taverns in Soweto. And Mshololo retorts that, well, I don't attend taverns. And the judge then replies to say to her, yeah, you don't know this because you don't attend taverns. That was a shocking exchange between the judge and Advocate Mshololo, indicating again to what levels this trial has descended, indicating again to what extent this court has lost its decorum. Take a listen to this.
Number 5 knows the number because it's F, mother's number, but the mother is deceased. You don't remember saying that?
No, my lord.
Mr. Baloi, wait. You remember somebody was deceased?
Yes, that's precisely what it was said.
Yes, I listen and I write notes.
My lord, I've never said that we are changing what we said in respect of the number belonging to the mother of the accused.
But
I've never said anything about that, and I don't know the reason why the state is standing up when I'm cross-examining. Because you can note down and do that in re-examination. That's not the procedure to disturb when counsel is doing cross-examination.
Well, firstly, my colleague doesn't have to raise her voice, and secondly, we submit that we are within our rights to put the correct information.
What was the assertion by counsel yesterday regarding those numbers?
The assertion was that
My lord, it's wrong for the state to respond on my behalf. I'm the one who was cross-examining.
No, please. There's decorum in court. It's not a tavern. I normally attend taverns in Soweto.
I don't attend taverns.
Yes, that's why you don't know what
taverns.
happens in a tavern. Sir, just verify this. These 4 numbers, how do you record them? The 5 numbers?
Yes, what was put, my lord, as far as I have it, that the number 07697355176 belongs to the late mother of accused number 5.
Right.
And that her name is Batatele Zungu.
Right.
And that the number 0733059202 is being admitted as belonging to the accused, or the number that the accused used.
Okay, fine. Yes, can you proceed then?
And then, my lord, I let the same witness in respect of the other affidavit.
On yet another occasion, Judge Ratha got into an altercation, an almost personal altercation with Advocate Molo. When Advocate Molo objected, Judge Ratha just fumed and said, "Don't accuse me of being a crook." When Molo had made no reference of the judge being a crook and was simply raising an objection. And he went on and on and on. He ranted and raved that, "Don't call me a crook. I've been in this profession for 55 years. Don't you dare call me a crook. I've never been called a crook. I've been trained by the likes of Chuck Skalsin and all those other people that he mentioned." And Molo retorted, "Oh, we all have our own experiences." Another distasteful exchange between a judge and a defense counsel. Another nail in the coffin of this trial. Another shocking development. Take a listen to this.
That's all I did. And you say it's unfair.
My lord, with due respect, my lord, I understand what the lordship is.
Don't accuse me of being a crook.
No, my lord, I'm not.
No, just listen to me. You must never. I've been 50 years in the profession. I've never been accused of being a crook.
My lord, I'm not accusing this.
What are you accusing me of?
But my lord, I am asking this court to listen to this. The accused, when he said, unless if I can be showed a statement wherein I was arrested on that day. Then my question is, my lord, the statement that has been presented, my lord, to the accused, is not the statement that was made by the accused. It was made by the arresting office.
Nobody said the accused made an arresting statement. He's not a policeman. What are you saying?
As the court visits.
Oh, it's long since him, Just wait, Mr. Minister, just sit down. This witness never said he made an arresting statement. Don't misconstrue izinto lapha, please.
So, those are some of the moments that I wanted to capture for you in the Senzo MEYIWA trial. The demeanor of the judge and the defense counsels, and largely of the judge, as we probably look forward now to this trial going into 2026. Trial now has been running for something like close on 2.5 years now. But this is what it is. This is what this trial is all about, as Moses Sibiya continues to be grilled by Advocate George Baloyi about his defense. In the next episode, I'm bringing you an analysis of that cross-examination of Advocate Baloyi of Moses Sibiya and the implications and what it says about the defense case. Having said that, let me thank you for watching this video. Let me thank you for all the subscriptions and shares that I'm seeing. And have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you.